Imagine creating a cinematic horror video in minutes. No camera, no editing software, no technical skills, just your idea and the right AI tools. Welcome to GenPay AI, where your creativity meets automation and your stories come to life. Before anything gets visual, it starts with a concept. We begin every video, whether it's horror, sci-fi, or a Bible epic, with a strong script. For this one, we'll keep it spooky. I asked ChatGPT to generate a short horror story, and within seconds, it delivered something dark and intriguing. You can also use tools like DeepSeek AI or Grok. The goal is to create a short, vivid storyline that's easy to visualize. Next, we transform that story into a prompt for the video generator. Think about what the camera would see. A misty graveyard, heavy rain, dim moonlight, a silhouette standing still. This kind of detail helps the AI understand your scene and deliver something cinematic. Add atmosphere, add emotion, keep it sharp. Now let's make that visual. Head over to Pixverse AI. This is where the magic happens. And hit sign up. You can use your email or just connect with your Google account. It's super quick. Their latest model, V4, is one of the most powerful video generators available right now. It lets you create realistic, high-motion clips with lighting, shadows, music, and even lip sync. No software needed. You even get free daily credits, so you can start testing things out right away without paying a dime. Once you're logged in, scroll to the prompt box at the bottom. All right, let's dive into creating our cinematic horror video using Pixverse. Down at the bottom of the screen, you'll find the prompt box. This is where all the magic starts. Right now, we're in text-to-video mode, and you'll see features like effects, transitions, sound, speech, and more. Let's begin. Click over to the Image or Text tab. This is where we drop in our prompt. I'll copy the first prompt and paste it into the box right here. Then move over to the Settings panel. Set your aspect ratio. I'm using 16.9 for widescreen. Leave the seed as default or tweak it for variation. Then set the duration. Pixverse lets you generate up to 8 seconds per video. Next, choose your video resolution. Go with 1080p for high quality or 360p for faster previews. Now toggle on auto sound to let the AI add background music. If your clip includes dialogue, turn on auto speech. It'll auto sync lips to the voice. Scroll down to style. Here you can pick from cinematic, animated, and other visual types. Then there's camera effects. Set pans, zooms, and movements for that cinematic touch. Make sure you're using the V4 model, the best one for detailed, smooth results. Once everything's ready, hit create. Pixverse will start generating the video. It only takes around 10 seconds for an 8-second clip, which is lightning fast compared to other AI tools. And here it is. Check out the lighting, the motion, the atmosphere, all generated in seconds. Even the background music adds tension. It's wild. Now let's move on to the next clip. Grab your next prompt, paste it, adjust settings, and generate again. Need consistent characters? Use the character tool, click the plus icon, upload a portrait made with your favorite AI image generator, and hit create character. Now just select that character, set the prompt and settings, and generate. Your scenes will now feature the same character across all clips. Repeat this for every scene, once all your video clips are ready. All right, we've reached the final step, putting everything together into one seamless video. You can use any editor you're comfortable with, but for this project, I'm using CapCut. Let's get started. First, import all your generated video clips into the media bin, then drag them into the timeline in the correct order. Take a moment to make sure everything flows smoothly. Once your main clips are in place, go ahead and import your lip-synced segments and position them where they belong. You might need to adjust some of the clip lengths to match up perfectly. That's totally normal. Now comes the fun part. Add visual effects to enhance the mood, and use transitions between scenes if you want smoother cuts. When everything looks good, hit export and let CapCut render the final video. It might take a minute, but trust me, it's worth it. And there you have it. Your cinematic AI short film is ready. Let's check it out.
I'd heard the rumors, whispers about a child, a locked attic no one dared open. As soon as I stepped in, the air grew heavy, like the house was breathing. I should have turned back. I should have turned back, but something was pulling me. You are too late. I wasn't the first. I won't be the last.
Pretty incredible, right? With just a bit of creativity and the right tools, you can craft powerful, visually stunning videos in minutes. This is just the beginning. Pixverse AI offers a ton of advanced features to take your content creation to the next level. If you're serious about standing out with AI-powered video, you've got to give it a try. You just created a cinematic horror video with nothing but words, vision, and AI tools. This is what we do at GenPay AI. We break down the complex and turn it into creative freedom. Want to try it for your Bible stories, social media content, or animated series? The tools are here. The strategy is here. And so are we every step of the way. I dropped the link in the description. Grab your free credits and test it yourself. You'll be shocked at what you can create in under a minute. Drop your questions in the comments. Like this breakdown? Hit that like button. Want more AI tools, tutorials, and real-world tests? Smash that subscribe. And let me know in the comments, what would you make with Pixverse? Catch you in the next one. Keep building, keep creating. Peace.